So today we're at school and we have Aiden. And I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel. So if you find my YouTube channel, this is you, okay? If you find my okay. And London is not over your page. London is not here, but if London comes late or something, I won't show her face because she doesn't like showing her face. And this is Leandro. Leandro! This is Leandro. You're in the video. Leandro's gone. Okay. So anyway. Huh?
You got him. You got your phone.
And yeah, that's it, guys. Bye.